Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okerzinski with your Week 11 screencast video. As we move through the last few weeks of the semesters, please read carefully. You want to stay up to date and watching the screencast videos. I will post additional content through the week, perhaps another screencast video as we move through the last two assignments. Now, one thing I want to talk about first is the career services overview and presentation. I've been working all semester long with career services department over at the College of DuPage. They've worked up a presentation on Prezi for the workplace writing classes, and I've had this available to my face-to-face, and I've uploaded a link for you. If you're wondering about options as far as careers, you can view their presentation and their services. It is beneficial and might help you finishing up that jobs package, which is due Sunday, end of day, as I am recording this on Sunday morning. Please be sure to review the course material. I had looked at as many drafts as I possibly could over the course of the week. Some of the resumes do concern me as far as formatting and information. They were to be structured for a recent college graduate. In some instances, I understand for some students this may not apply, but there is an order and formatting required for the assignment. If you have any questions or emails, please, emails, just email me your questions and we'll be able to cover the jobs package. Now, one thing I do want to get to in the course units is the proposal and formal report. And one thing I want to point out in the changes that I've made, originally I had the proposal combined with the formal report worth 250 points. So I thought perhaps as we move into the last part of the semester that breaking out the proposal and getting some feedback and grading on that would be an advantage as opposed to leaving it to the last really regular class day on that Sunday in May. So please be aware of the changes to this week's schedule. So let me talk a little bit as I move into the course units. Chapter 13 is about writing proposals. It's a really straightforward chapter. The proposal is directly tied to the formal report topic. If you take a look at the assignment, I talk about the three possible formal report topics, which would be the fitness center, the theme park, or job positions, or you could call it some sort of career opportunity search. All right. Depending on what you're writing, the internal or external proposal appropriate for your topic. After working through the theme park, you'll discover that it's more of an external proposal than an internal proposal, where the fitness center and the job positions would be more for the internal. So I wanted to clarify that. If you upload the Word doc or PDF for the proposal, it is worth 50 points. Now, when I say the proposal is really straightforward, assignment and document, it is in a way of writing. The proposal is three paragraphs tied to your formal report topic. The first paragraph is the introduction, which really states the problem. The body is the practical solutions and provides some details to support for the solutions in order to persuade the audience. And the conclusion ties everything together and offers a recommendation with a positive tone. All right. So please take a look at the formatting of the the proposal, and then you can move forward from there. Now, I want to touch on the formal report. In Unit 7, Chapter 11 is the formal report. As you'll see, we have the overview and key concepts, along with the discussion board activities, which will be drafting activities over the course of the next 2 weeks. I've also uploaded a section on resources. Once again, there is a video from the COD librarian to help search databases, and I give a variety of links to help you compile your formal report. I've also over the semesters have compiled some criteria for the fitness center topic, so you might want to take a look at those. Your formal report is going to be, as it states here, it's going to be on three topics. Okay, either the fitness center, theme park, or the career. The job options are your three topics. So you may want to read the formal report and some of the options in the textbook before selecting a topic for your proposal. One, the proposal must connect to your formal report because it helps you frame the formal report topic. So the formal report is broken down into front matter, the body, which will include the executive summary, the introduction text, which is the body of your report, conclusions, and recommendations. All right. You must use five visuals, charts, graphs, tables, or images integrated into your report via text wrapping. All right. So we'll focus a little bit on headings and presentation and formatting. So, and once again, there will be some additional screencast videos coming your way in the next few weeks. So, step one, look at the formal report, decide on which topic interests you that you would like to write on, and then move to the proposal chapter, which would be chapter 13, and work on the formal report. Now, one thing I want to point out is I've opened up the last two units completely since it's basically the two of the proposal is tied to the formal report. So you can work ahead, work on the formal report, post the discussion boards, finish up the chapter quizzes should be open, and treat the last two assignments, assignment number 5 and assignment number 6, the same and in the same time frame. So you can manage your time over the course of the last few weeks of semesters. So, like I said, if you have any questions for me, please email me. Good luck.